Before I was a woodworker, a natural thing of importance to me was working with my hands. I think I had some mechanical aptitude. Whether I did or not, I enjoyed building things. And so I started exploring what are the options, and woodworking just stood out as an opportunity to work with my hands, to build something, to be able to do something for other people. I don't think we ever pictured where we would be today. It is a result of the hard work of the members of our team. There's one thing we've never lost sight of, though. It is through hard work that we reach out to serve and to share our values with others. If we stick to it, we will grow beyond our wildest imaginations.